With the globalization trend of industries such as automobiles, construction machinery, and energy storage, as well as the strong rise of the new energy vehicle industry, the automotive supporting industry has ushered in 20 years of rapid development. In this era of opportunities and challenges coexisting, the market's requirements for the technical level and research and development capabilities of automobile supporting production enterprises are gradually increasing. Taking advantage of this era, Jiangsu Nuogong New Energy Vehicle Air Conditioning Co., Limited has emerged. Jiangsu Nuogong New Energy Vehicle Air Conditioning Co., Limited is located in Taixing City, Jiangsu Province, which is rich in natural resources and 200 kilometers away from Shanghai. Since its establishment in 2009, after more than a decade of market baptism, the company has developed into a modern manufacturing enterprise specializing in the development, production, and sales of automotive air conditioning compressors, covering an area of 15,000 square meters and employing over 200 people. To meet the diverse and customized needs of global customers, the company has increased investment year by year and equipped multiple automated and semi-automated production lines. Equipped with BH5H, 7H series assembly line, BH10 series assembly line, electric assembly line performance test bench, durability test bench, 3-coordinate, cleanliness tester, etc. In order to pursue higher levels of enterprise management and technology, the company has successfully passed the IETF 16949 certification and obtained more than 20 appearance patents for refrigeration compressors. Faced with application demands of different scales and levels in the market, the company has developed a complete product line, including a one-stop procurement product chain mainly consisting of wobble plate type fixed displacement compressors, swash plate type fixed displacement compressors, and new energy electric scroll compressors. After years of cultivation, Nuogong's clients have spread across the country, including Shaanxi Automobile Holdings Group, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group, Ford Motor, Dongfeng Motor, and others, and exported to Thailand, Malaysia, Brazil, Europe, etc., with products sold all over the world. Since its establishment, Jiangsu Nuogong has been persistently pursuing innovation and constantly breaking through the boundaries of technology. From the design of each compressor to the final product, we strive for excellence. The operation of the compressor is like a surging heartbeat, continuously outputting strong and powerful energy. Provide each user with high-quality, energy-saving, and efficient products. At the same time, we also contribute our modest efforts to the thriving new society.